So I just finished a 75 hard challenge and I had a question like, Joe, why do you do all these challenges? What do you get out of it? Well, I have three main reasons for it, right? Number one reason is I have two kids, okay? I want them to look at their parents, look at me and my wife. We're constantly working out. We're constantly eating, trying to eat healthy, trying to push ourselves to the next level. So whenever they look at that, it creates good habits whenever they see somebody like their parents, like doing certain things. We all have our morning routines, right? If you watch my videos, you probably see my son doing his jumping jacks, doing his push-ups, doing his squats. That creates good habits for them. So that's the number one reason. I want them to have somebody to look up to, somebody to say, hey, they might not learn it right now, but eventually that might shift, right? Later on, it's like, oh, my dad always did this, mom always did this. Number two is, I'm not getting any younger. When I was about 15 pounds overweight, like I couldn't keep up all the time. He jumps on my back. I'm gonna try to stay as healthy and fit as possible so that I can keep up with his kids, He has a lot more to go. Okay, that's number two. Number three is I know myself. I know myself well enough to where if I don't do any sort of challenges, I don't put myself in a position to where I commit, right, to something, I'm probably gonna be sitting down on the couch, like watching TV. So if I put myself in these situations where I'm committing to myself and I'm accountable to myself, sometimes I'll have a friend say, hey, I have we used to have an accountability group to where we have to report what we're doing every week, right? So things like that, for me, it helps me here and it puts me in a position to where I have to do it. Whether I'm excuse, I have somebody else checking on me, right? So accountability. So that helps me. I just know myself well enough to where I'm in a position to where I can't make that excuses. Whether I'm gonna be accountable for myself or somebody else is accountable for me, okay? So those are the three main reasons. Plan up, guys.